Pues aquí estamos y estoy con un micrófono Auto Pro, yeah. Y voy a empezar a hacer entrevistas y no sé, me apetece rapear, no sé por qué. Se me da de culo rapear. Yeah, yeah, man. Pues vamos a empezar con una entrevista de Watch Dogs. Watch Dogs, Watch Dogs, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Watch Dogs, Watch Dogs, what you gonna do? Transformers, cuidado, cuidado con Transformers. Pues estoy aquí con Dani Belanger, que es de Francia, de Montreal, y es el diseñador, you're the designer, right?
Lead game designer, yeah.
Lead game designer, the Watch Dogs. It has some multiplayer features, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Can you customize your character to be not like the other ones?
In multiplayer, we do have that feature. In single player, you're playing Aiden, the main character. But yes, in multiplayer, there are multiple characters.
Why does Aiden look like Tom Cruise?
I don't think it looks like Tom Cruise, but perhaps it's...
Did you design him?
No, I didn't.
Oh, okay. I think he looks like Tom Cruise a lot. I don't know. Vale, ya tengo la funda de Watch Dogs. Eso significa ahora que tengo el poder de hackear a quien quiera, como en el tráiler. Voy a intentar apagar esas luces. Esto no funciona. Esto no funciona. And what do I need to get my new Watch Dogs phone to control everything here and turn off the lights and troll people?
You need to hack a control center to do that.
Oh, where's that? I need that. Vale, vamos a intentar sacarle el móvil a AutoConsumer, a ver si...
Sí, mamá, sí, estoy muy abrigado, no te preocupes. No me han atracado ni nada, todo bien. Que sí, que como bien, que todo perfecto. Que... ¿Mamá? ¿Alguien? ¿Pero qué le pasa al móvil, tío?
Bad boys, what you gonna do?
Give me 4 seconds and a clear signal.
Well, thanks a lot, man. That's it.
Thank you.
I hope it wasn't too bad for my part.
Suscríbete y dale a like si quieres. Suscríbete y dale a like si quieres. Ni.